Hi guys, this is Chinmay. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be discussing about coding best practices. I will share you only 4 tips by using we can improve our coding standards and performance, irrespective of any languages like C, C++, Java, .NET or any other language. And if we keep practicing these 4 tips, then definitely we will be gaining more confidence and we will be getting less review comments and our coding standards will be much improved. If you are working for a software company as fresher or less experienced, or you are learning some new programming language, and if you follow and apply these 4 tips, then definitely it will pay off and you will be getting more helpful and beneficial. So without further delay, let's get started with tip number 1. Just start writing the pseudocodes first. It is very much crucial to start with the pseudocodes. So you may use pen and paper, notepad, notepad+. So wherever and whatever is comfortable for you, just start writing the pseudocodes. Step 1, I am going to do this. Step 2, I am going to do this. Step 3, I am going to do this. And you may place the syntactically codes there so that you will be getting the clear picture and better clarity when you are going to the real-time coding. So it is very much important to start with the pseudocode first. Coding best practices and tip number 2, coding standards. So it is all important to maintain a good coding standards. In this category, I will be dividing into 4 parts. First one, proper code commenting. Second one, proper naming and proper modularization. And third one, proper code formatting. And fourth one, proper memory check. I mean, code commenting is almost important. I'm not saying each and every line you change. For that, you write a comment. At least when you are starting a new model or new functionality, then you are just put a clear comment there so that it will be easy for you and others who are revisiting your course. And second thing is coding naming. I mean, so when you are declaring variables, functionality, whatever, so just put a proper naming. If you are working for a project, they might have a coding standard document. They will be asking to follow their documents. Otherwise, you follow in a generalized manner. Suppose you are declaring a boolean variable, just put a d before the variable. Similarly, I before the integer. Similarly, if you are declaring some module or function, then write just proper naming so that it will be more readable and understandable for others and you also in the future. And third thing is code formatting. Code format is almost important because it will represent your code in such a neat and cleanly manner, right? If you are using any ID like integration development environment, there you can find a lot of options to format your codes properly. And fourth one is memory checking. Why I am discussing about memory checking here? Because if you are using some prime language like C, C++, and where auto deletion is not available. In this case, if you are creating or newly creating some memory, then you should delete that memory. If you don't do or you don't delete the memory, then it will crash your memory and it will be just a bad name for you if your program or your written application crashes. So please triple check if there is a space or memory allocated, then you must delete that one. So once we're done with the implementation page, then we should go for the self-review page, and it's very important to self-review because we never know if we do some mistake in the implementation page. Then here we have a great opportunity to rectify our mistakes before going to the review stage. So it may be logic, syntax, or anything. It might happen. So we should keep priorities to the self-review as many times as possible because this is very important. So once we do complete self-review and we are satisfied with our code, then we will be moving to the unit test run. We will be capturing all the possible scenarios and we may use Excel sheet for that and we will be planning it well. So after that we will be thoroughly test our functionality. So if everything goes well, then we will be. That's all I had in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.